Hello friends, this video on motion in a straight line part 6 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exams. Please make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 5 before going ahead with part 6. Now we will look at interpretation from different position time graphs. That is, we will plot position time graphs for different scenarios. Let us take the first scenario. Position time graph, just for making things clear, this is your time and this is your position or displacement. Suppose you have a graph like this. Now what does this graph signify? Think over it. Well, this graph says that the position of the particle was this when time was 0. The position of the particle remained the same when time was 1. It remained the same when time kept increasing. That means with increase of time, the position of the particle remains the same. That means there is no change in position with time. That means there is no motion. That means, so this graph shows that there is no motion because there is no change of position with time. Time is increasing but position is not changing. So no motion, that means the body is at rest. Fine? Okay. Now let us look at case 2. Here we have a straight line passing through the origin, where this is my time and this is my position. Now here we have that the position is increasing with increase in time and it is a straight line. That means position is increasing with increase in time. That means when the time is 1, position is 1. When time is 2, the position is 2. Time is 3, position is 3. That means it is increasing uniformly. So in this case, we say that the body is in uniform motion. Uniform motion means it is changing equal distance. The change in position with respect to time is uniform. That means in first 1 hour it changed its position, that is 1. Again in the next 1 hour the change in position was 1. Again in the next 1 hour the change in position was 1, and so on. So the body is changing its position uniformly with the passage of time. That means the body is in uniform motion, or the uniform motion means the body is traveling with uniform velocity. Why did we talk of velocity? Because it is position time graph. Had this been a distance time graph, we would have talked of speed. So when we have a straight line, we say that the body is moving with uniform velocity. Let us look at case 3. Here also we have a straight line, but the line does not pass through the origin. This is our origin, but the line passes through this point. So time is along x-axis, position is along y-axis. In this case, it shows that the object is at rest from 0 to 1. That means from 0 to 1, the time kept increasing, but the object, there is no change in position of the object. The object is at 0. That means the object has no motion till first 1 hour. Only after that, the change of position with time kept increasing uniformly. So that means the body is at rest for first hour. After that, uniform motion. Correct? Now let us see Case 4. Case 4 seems to be a curve. What does this signify? Observe it very closely. From origin till 1, we can see that it is nothing but a straight line. That means the object's position is changing uniformly with time. From 0 to 1 time interval, it is uniform motion, as we already discussed. Now from 1 till this point, now let us suppose this point is somewhere around 4. So from 1 till 4, it is a curve. However, it is increasing, but it is curved. That means with the increase in time, the position is also increasing, but the increase is not uniform. I mean, it is not increasing in equal intervals. That means after that, so 1 onwards, it is non-uniform motion. Now, if we see the last part, somewhere around this part, it is again a straight line. That means beyond this, say, let us suppose maybe around this point, the value of x would be somewhere around, say, 7 or above. Or let us say, towards the end, it is not moving. That means there is no change in position with time. That means the body is at rest. So what did we see in this figure? Initially it moved with uniform motion. Then the motion was non-uniform, and then finally the object has no motion. That is, it is at rest or no motion. So, I hope now it is clear to you how to plot the position time graphs and how to interpret the value of velocity from the slope of position time graph, and what are the different types of position time graph from which you can interpret the motion of the object. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.